Mtsco seamless pipes have a highly guaranteed supply chain. Mtsco has invested in a factory, Huixin Pipe, which has 35 years pipe manufacturing experience. Huixin Pipe has obtained the ISO SPED AD 2000 M650 certificate and is equipped with a complete set of advanced production equipment, inspection equipment, and laboratory instruments, such as cold rolling machine, annealing furnaces, ultrasonic eddy current integrated machines, etc. As a factory complexes supplier, Mtsco is proud of our diverse specifications of seamless pipe. We can produce according to standards such as ASTM, EN, GOST, DIN, etc. And our materials covering austenitic, duplex steel, nickel alloy, cobalt alloy, etc. 3 quality inspection processes ensure the quality of Mtsco seamless pipes. First, our raw materials come from large factories such as Baosteel and Tsingshan. Each batch of raw materials requires MTC and PMI inspection. Second, each process is equipped with advanced production equipment and is supervised by experienced engineers and technicians. Each link is supervised by professional QC inspectors and photographed for archiving. The entire process uses process cards to ensure accuracy and traceability. Third, Mtsco has professional QC team to conduct a series of inspections and experiments on the pipes, including routine appearance, PMI, size, quantity, and other inspections. At the same time, we also conduct mechanical testing, hardness testing, UT, ET, HT and other tests. In addition, we also accept third-party inspection, such as SGS, TUV, and BV. Before shipping, we use appropriate and safe packaging methods and take measures such as container reinforcement to ensure that your goods are delivered to you in good condition. Mtsco has become the only international sales center of Huixin, fully responsible for the global sales and promotion of Huixin Pipe. Customers are also very satisfied with Mtsco products, providing a lot of feedback and praise, and establishing a large number of long-term and in-depth cooperative relationships. A factory complexes supplier, meeting your desired high cost effectiveness.